Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something that's shaking up the JavaScript world, Bun 1.0. If you are tired of Node.js or just looking for a faster alternative, stick around. Let's get started. Bun is an all-in-one JavaScript runtime and toolkit designed for speed. It comes with a native bundler, test runner, and a Node.js compatible package manager. Developed with three major design goals: speed, elegant APIs, and a cohesive developer experience, Bun aims to be a game changer in the JavaScript ecosystem. The runtime engine extends JavaScript core, the performance-minded JS engine built for Safari. It has a high compatibility, as it is designed as a drop-in replacement for Node.js. It natively implements hundreds of Node.js and web APIs. And the toolkit part, it's a package manager, test runner, and bundler for a complete development experience. I also included a link to the official Bun website in the description. One of the most compelling advantages of Bun is its speed. In a recent benchmark, Bun handled about 68,000 HTTP requests per second compared to about 29,000 for Dino and only 14,000 for Node.js. That's a significant difference. In another comparison, Bun achieved 110,000 requests per second with 10 concurrent connections, while Node.js achieved 60,000 and Dino 67,000. The source can also be found in the video description. Installing Bun is a breeze. Open your terminal and run curl -fs S L space https bun.sh/install pipe bash. And that's it. You've successfully installed Bun. Now, how to use Bun? In order to run your JavaScript or TypeScript code, simply use bun run yourfile.js or TypeScript. Bun also comes with a native bundler, as said before, and to bundle your project, just use bun bundle and it will work. Managing packages is easy with Bun's native npm client. To install a package, use bun install and then followed by the package name. What's also great about Bun is its inbuilt dependency management. So let's say you're familiar with Node.js and how Node.js handles all dependencies. Sometimes there are some dependencies which are depended on by several different packages, and Bun recognizes this and saves a lot of time when running npm install, or let's say bun install, because you need to run bun install for it, and it will memorize what it has already installed and skip this part. So, what we learned is Bun 1.0 is an exciting new addition to the JavaScript runtime landscape. With its focus on speed and a comprehensive toolkit, it's a strong contender against established runtimes like Node.js and Dino. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, happy coding!